Hey, what's good? It's your boy Matthew Michael, and in today's video I want to clear up some things on how exactly we're supposed to get our account from $50 to $6,500 by the end of the year without adding any money. And guys, if hearing this is new to you, click the link above or click the link down below to watch next week's video. Also, for those of you who are new to the channel, please be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss any future content or giveaways. I post a new video every Saturday and I would love to have you as part of the family. And guys, I'd just like to say right here, before and after the video, if y'all have any questions about this method or any questions for me, personal questions, anything like that, ask me down below in the comments. Or y'all, I have an Instagram too. Follow me on Instagram and hit me in my DMs. Guys, I love talking to y'all, but without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay guys, in this video I'm going to try to be a little more direct, a little more clear, and give a little bit more direction. Guys, in the last video I was really just trying to change y'all's perspective on the way that y'all look at options, because guys, I know for me personally, I was about done with options. I took a moment and thought about it. There are people that are successful trading options, so I was like, why can't I be successful trading options? Guys, I was like, hold up, I can be successful trading options, and so can you. Guys, when it came down to it, the biggest thing was I had no plan when it came to trading options. Guys, when I first started trading options, I wanted to get money, but I had no hard rules set up for myself. So guys, in this video I want to give y'all some more guidelines. In no way is this financial advice. I mean, in a way it's financial advice, but guys, I am not a financial advisor, so I would just like to tell y'all, do what you think is best. Don't do something just because I say it. Guys, take this and, you know, kind of interpret it in your own way and put your own spin on it and do what works for you. I'm just here to show y'all the possibilities, and that's really what last week's video was about. Last week I wanted to show y'all the power of compounding and how gaining 10% every week, I wanted to show y'all how that is possible. I wanted to show y'all that 10% a week, while it starts off slow, that it snowballs. So alright, yeah, let's get to it. Guys, the first thing I want to say is, if you guys start with $50, like I said I'm doing, guys, really I started with about 64 because that's what I had in Robinhood account. Guys, I want to say to y'all, if y'all are starting with $50, some of the rules that I said in the previous video don't apply, or at least not at the beginning. At the beginning, you're trying to find a company that is going to give you a good ride up. You know, maybe one that you can ride for the day and, you know, get your profits for the week. So that is what I'm going to go over with you. So guys, in the last video, I said that you guys need to get time on your options. With $50, you're not going to be able to find a stock that moves, that makes you money at a decent rate that you can sell out of. You're not going to be able to find that with a month on it. So guys, when you first start, guys, you're going to want to start trading weeklies, maybe 2 weeks if you can find some at the right price. Guys, if you're doing this, you want to look at options that are moving into the money, options that you know are going to move a lot on the day and move a lot in the direction, because a big move in the direction, if it's way out of the money, will still allow you to gain money off of it. Guys, if you buy a weekly, don't hold it any longer than 2 days, and guys, don't buy a weekly after Wednesday. If you buy a weekly after Wednesday, guys, buy it for the next week. Okay guys, it's the third day of the trading week, so it's Wednesday as I make this video. I just want to show you guys an example of how I am starting from $50. Okay, so guys, like I said in last week's video, the goal is 2% a day, and I know I said in last week's video you need to buy time on these options, but starting with $50, you're probably not going to be able to find options that are going to move and get time on them. When you're starting, guys, you kind of want to be in and out. If your account has a PDT hold on it, you want to buy at the end of the day and get it swing one way and sell in the morning, or sell after maybe around 10 o'clock, just so you know which direction the stock market is going in the day, or buy it when you get that profit, lock it in, sell it. Okay, so guys, I want to give y'all a quick example. I'm showing y'all my Robinhood account. So guys, as you can see, I am up 6.77% today. Okay, so guys, I think without the stocks that I own, I think I'm up $5 option wise, so that's actually up more than 6.77% today. But on the week, I am up 5.72%. And guys, I just want to show you guys that I did not do any trading on Monday or Tuesday. Okay, so I just want to give you guys an example and show y'all what it looks like. Okay, so guys, I would also like to show y'all that I have $49.36 buying power, and this morning I had $44 buying power. So guys, really I started with $45, so if I can start with 45, you can definitely start with 50 and find something good for 50. Okay, but now it's time for me to get into exactly what I did and show y'all. As you can see, this morning at 10:30 Eastern, I bought a call for PFE at $43, and I paid 36 cents for it. Guys, I'm sure you're wondering, why did I buy a call for PFE at $43? Oh, and like I said, when you start with $50, you're not going to be able to get much time on it. So I was just looking for what I can afford that I think is going to get me money. So guys, PFE call expires on Friday. So I bought it for $36. And guys, I bought a $43 call because I think PFE was about $42.90 when I bought it around 10:30 Eastern time this morning. And I bought it because it was moving into the money. And whenever an option crosses into the money, it gets a little bit of money from that. So guys, that's what I was counting on when I bought this. I really was just going for that quick 2%. So I bought it at $36. And then after that, guys, after I bought it for $36, 20 minutes later at 10:50 a.m. Eastern time, I sold it for $41, guys. That gave me $5 extra buying power. And if I started with $50, that is actually my 10% on the week. So I actually may be done trading this week if I look at it from a $50 perspective. So guys, yeah, that's how you would do a trade starting from $50. As you guys can see, I actually started with $44 and I now have just under $50 buying power. So there's a little bit more I want to talk about though. This is really geared more towards the beginning of this challenge, and what better place to start than the beginning, guys. Okay, what I want to say about the beginning, guys, is since you have such little money and you're trading weekly options, guys, there are some rules you're going to need to follow in order to be successful. Guys, for those of you who don't know, time plays a big role in options, and as your time expires, the options get exponentially cheaper. Really, you're in a losing situation playing these options at a weekly point in time. So guys, you have to be like a sniper sniping for these deals. Really, how you're going to snipe these deals, guys, you want to buy calls. If you can buy something in the money, get it in the money. More than likely, if you're buying something and you only have a week on it, what's best for you guys is buy something moving into the money, like I did in this video. When it moves into the money, guys, it gets a boost. Just by the stock moving into the money, you get a boost off that, and that's personally where I would cut it. But guys, yeah, buy it moving into the money. That's where the best value is. The next rule is, guys, if you're buying a weekly option, only buy on the first 3 days of the trading week. So that's Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, guys. Any day after Wednesday, if there aren't 2 days left in the week, buy for the next trading week. You may be able to find some at a price that works. The reason that you don't want to buy the last 2 days trading with such little money, you're probably not going to be able to buy in the money on the last couple of days, and if you buy it at the last couple of days, there's not going to be much of a premium, so that is less profit that you can make. And really, you might as well not bother unless you know a stock is going to rip up or rip down for the day. So guys, don't buy on the last 2 days of the trading week unless you're trying to lose some money, guys. Also, when you're buying and selling options, one of my good homies told me this and I kind of noticed it was true. When you're buying and selling options, it's okay to sell right in the morning, but if you buy something, you may kind of want to wait until around 10 or 10:30 to actually buy an option, because then you can see what direction the stock market is going for the day. Usually by that point it's locked in, and whatever direction, if it's up at 10:30, it's probably going to be up for the rest of the day. If it's down at 10:30, it's probably going to be down on the rest of the day. So it kind of helps you find what direction to lean in on, whether it's a call or a put. Guys, thank y'all for watching. If y'all found this video helpful, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Guys, I'm sure y'all have so many more questions, and I would love to answer them questions down below in the comments, but I just don't know where to start. So guys, y'all please tell me what y'all want and know down below in the comments, guys, because I want to help y'all, but I don't know where to start. But I need some help from y'all. So guys, I really appreciate you sharing this with your friends, because I feel like more people should know what's out there and what's possible, guys. Yeah, so if you have any questions, comment down below. Guys, if you haven't already, please subscribe, and if you subscribe and you haven't hit that bell icon, what are you doing? Hit that bell icon right now, please. Yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I mean it. If y'all have any questions, please let me know down below in the comments. And guys, I would love to hear how y'all are doing on y'all's 52-week challenge. Right now it's off to a decent start, guys. I got my $5 for the week. I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Happy trading. Peace.